I'm going to show you the 5 best exercises to build muscle at home. No gym, no equipment, just results. If you're doing random home workouts, you're wasting time because most people train hard, but they don't train smart. These 5 exercises hit your entire body, and if you do them right, you will see changes fast. Watch all 5 because the last one is the most ignored, but it's the one that actually makes your body look powerful. 1. Push-ups, chest plus triceps plus shoulders. Forget fast reps. Go slow. 3 seconds down, 1 second up. Keep your body straight, chest to the ground every rep. Do 3-4 sets till near failure. 2. Squats, legs plus full lower body. Feet, shoulder width. Go all the way down. No half reps. If it feels easy, hold the bottom for 2 seconds. 1-5, 2-5 reps per set. 3. Pull-ups, back plus biceps. If you have a bar, use it. Full stretch at the bottom, chin over the bar at the top. Can't do 1? Start with jumping pull-ups or negatives. 3-5 sets, even 1-2 reps counts. 4. Dips, chest plus triceps. Use 2 chairs. Lower slowly. Elbows slightly back, not wide. Go deep, then push up strong. 8. 1-5 reps per set. 5. Plank, core, the game changer. This is where most people are weak. Tight core. No sagging, no cheating. Hold it like your life depends on it. 30 to 60 seconds, increase daily,